Good morning everyone. Yesterday we started our lesson number 8, Reach for the Top, part 1, Santosh Yadav, in which we came to know about Santosh Yadav. Santosh is the only woman mountaineer who has been able to climb the Mount Everest twice. In yesterday's class we learnt about Santosh Yadav's childhood. She was born in a small village named Jonia Vyas of Rewari, Haryana. Then we came to know that she was the only sister of 5 elder brothers. She was the rebel and did not want to live like the other girls of her village. She wanted to study and took admission in a school in Delhi against her parents' wish. Now let's learn more about Santosh Yadav. Today I am going to start my explanation from point number 5, page number 100. As we know that she enrolled herself in Delhi in a school to get the higher education, as she wanted to be highly qualified, and her father accepted her wish. When she passed her school, then after that she joined to Maharani College at Jaipur and she stayed in the Kasturba hostel. Kasturba hostel, that was near the Aravali Hills. Suddenly, she saw villagers climbing the hills, and after that they disappearing behind it. And she was curious to know that what was beyond the hills, and one day she decided to find out. And then one day Santosh found a few mountaineers who allowed her to join them in their mountaineer expedition. Since then, Santosh progressed gradually to become an accomplished mountaineer. She saved money to get enrolled in a mountaineering course at the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering at Uttarkashi. As her college semester in Jaipur was about to end in the month of April, but it ended on the 19th of May. If it was ended in the month of April, then she has decided that she would go to her village to meet her parents. But as it was ended on the 19th of May and she was supposed to join Uttarkashi Institute of Mountaineering on 21st. So that's why she did not go back home, and instead of going home she wrote a letter to her father, which was an apology letter that she was not able to come to her village, and as well as she also mentioned that she joined that college, mountaineering college, without the permission of her father. Now the golden period of her life has started, as she has joined that mountaineering college. Santosh went on an expedition every year and improved her skills gradually. Expedition means long journey for the pleasure. Now she was improving her skills. She developed the immunity to cold weather and the heights. And Santosh had the qualities of physical strength, mental strength, and the most important, strong willpower. In the year 1992, 4 years after joining her, the first casual climb on the Aravali Hills, and she climbed Mount Everest too, when she was 20 years of age. She became the youngest woman in the world to climb the peak, as she was of just 20 years and she climbed at the Mount Everest. And obviously, seniors were impressed by her qualities of physical strength, mental strength, and strong willpower. Her companions on expeditions found her to be the concerned for others and willing to work as a team. During 1992 expedition to the Mount Everest, she tried to save a fellow climber, but she was unsuccessful. And she was successful in saving another fellow climber, Mohan Singh, who fell short of oxygen, by sharing her oxygen with him, which shows that she was not only determined to her goals, but also she was a very gentle lady. Then, within the next year, she had joined a group of Indo-Nepalese mountaineer women. Then she climbed the peak the second time, and becoming the only woman to have climbed the Mount Everest twice. Means second time when she joined Indo-Nepalese mountaineer women. At that time she climbed on the peak with that a group, and she had become the only woman to have climbed the Mount Everest twice. Santosh made India proud by getting her name recording in the historic records of mountaineering, obviously, and the Indian government honored her achievement by giving her the Padma Shri award. And in the last stanza, you can see it is written describing her feelings when she was literally on the top of the world. Santosh has said, "It took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in, and then I unfurled the Indian tricolor and held it aloft on the roof of the world." Means here Santosh recollects her feelings when she was literally at the top of the world, and she took time to realize that she had achieved something big. She hoisted the national flag at the top of the Mount Everest, on the highest point of the world, which we all know, and she cannot put up the great feeling into the words. She said that I felt proud as an Indian, means she felt proud to be an Indian, as she believes in preserving the environment. She did her bit by bringing down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. This was the journey of Santosh, which tells us that the success comes to those who dare and do. As we learned that Santosh Yadav, she was from a very small village, and beyond this she got higher education. She went against her parents. She took admission in the mountaineering college without the permission of her parents, because she was knowing that maybe her parents would not allow her to go over there. And after doing all these things, she proved herself that she was determined to achieve her goals, and with her willpower, with her mental strength, with her physical strength, she achieved great success in her life. She had qualities of hard work and sincerity. She is an inspiration for all of us, but especially for the girls. One can learn the values of being mentally tough, determined, dedicated, and helping others from her. Her life shows us that nothing is impossible if one is passionate and determined about one's goal. Thank you.